This is our
Yeah,
first conversation. So, could you introduce yourself? I would really appreciate
yeah,
that.
of course. Yeah, of course, of course. I would like to introduce myself in front of you. It is my privilege to to having a conversation with you. So
Yeah.
now I can introduce myself. As you know that my name is Sushma and I am a homemaker and I belong to Delhi and I'm
Wow.
blessed with two kids. As far as my qualification is concerned, so I have done my graduation from Delhi University from
Mm-hmm.
arts, Bachelor of Arts. So
That's
talking
okay.
about my hobbies, so like time to time I can change my hobbies, but nowadays I have only one hobby to
Okay.
watch the conversational videos and acquire some kind of knowledge from those videos because nowadays I am working on my communication skill. So that's why I do most of the time this thing. So yeah,
You
thank you
just
so much. It
mentioned
is
that.
nice.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. You
Mhm.
just mentioned that your hobbies have been evolving, right?
Mhm. Yeah.
Because see, obviously, everybody having this same situation in their life. When we
Right.
were child, at that time we wanted to be something else. Now we got lots of experience in our life, right? We become mature.
Right.
Right now, we have different things to do. I mean, at that
Yeah.
time, I wanted
That
to be a
you
cricketer. At that time, I wanted to be a cricketer in my, childhood
mm,
time. But now, I don't want to be cricket at all. Even I don't like to watch cricket.
okay. So what is the reason behind that? But
I
whenever
don't
we have
know.
any passion, so that will we have to complete that passion anyhow. Come what may, we have to do that. But how can you say that you wanted to be a cricketer, but now you have changed your mindset? So yeah, because
I
it
don't
is a
know.
big thing. Yeah, because
Yeah.
I think we don't get this kind of environment to we improve ourselves in the passion. So in that way, we also cannot do that such things, right? Because I
My
also
hobby
wanted
has
to
changed
learn this.
drastically. Yeah, I think you're
Mm,
right. My hobby has changed drastically. At this point, I like to watch movies in English. Okay, so whenever I get a free time, I download couple of movies and I watch them,
mhm.
especially in my bedtime.
Yes, yes, right.
Okay.
It is also the one way of enhancing our communication skills, right? In that way, we
Yeah.
can learn, and we are able to learn. We are able to learn the different things through the videos, through the
Mm.
movies and any other things, or
Mhm. Sure, sure. Okay,
go
so
ahead. Yeah.
what, what are your good qualities, good trait, and what are your bad qualities? I mean, one bad quality if you want to get rid of from your life completely, uh, eradicate from your life. No want, no need anything. Okay, so what would it be?
Okay, I consider myself that I don't have any bad quality. Well, you can say it's a bad habit, we can say, because I most of the time get up right, very late in the morning time if I don't have so much time. So I most of the time get up so late, like around
Mhm.
8 or 9 o'clock. So, but I want to eradicate my this habit. But
Mhm.
yeah, it depends on my schedule. If I have to go somewhere, if I had some work, so that time I get up early. Other than that, I don't have you can say my timetable is not good. So sometime, yeah. So, but
And
that is a bad habit. I think it is a type
okay,
of bad habit. So we should get away of that habit. So I also
and
want to get
yeah,
yeah, yeah.
name one habit that you want to incorporate in your daily life.
In corporate, I most of the time I try to do that, but I try to interact the people in the morning time because in the morning time your mind will your mind uh, uh, is ready
Fresh.
to accept everything. You
Yeah.
refresh, yeah, you can say refresh. But yeah, in the morning time because I had so much time, don't so much time to because my bad habit because I don't get up early in the morning, so that's why if I am able to reduce that habit, so maybe I have time to talk with the people in the morning time, and it is also the good for meditation because in the morning time if we do meditation, so it's good for our mind or for our whole body, so it rejuvenates us. And for that, like in the morning time, so I don't get up early in the I am unable to get up early in the morning, so I delay my meditation. So and that time, my our life is very hustle bustle after that, after 9 o'clock. If we go with the meditation after 9, so it is not good for the health. Or we don't concentrate in that meditation that time. So I want to build that habit. So I want to build that habit. So I want to get up early in the morning. I want to be an early bird.
Early
But
bird. Okay.
yeah, yeah,
Hmm.
very
And
well.
how to do meditation? This is the following up question I'm asking to you. Like how many minutes? Or obviously like
Yeah,
10 depends.
yeah, it depends on you. If you are enjoying that meditation, so you can sit over there half an hour and more than that. If you are not concentrating your mind, or your mind is disturbed, so that time, like 10 minutes is also enough for that. Like that time there is no use to do meditation, right? So
Okay.
in the morning time, most of the time I go with that deliberately. We can say I have to get up early in the morning for that sometime. So for meditation, so half an hour is enough. Other than that, and I am also following one kind of meditation like Sahaj Yoga. So in that meditation, there is no any time limitation over there. If you enjoy that meditation, so you can sit 1 hour and more than that. If you enjoying that, if you are getting relaxed, so you can do that. Otherwise, 10 to 15 minutes is enough for doing
10,
that.
10 minutes I think would be enough. Don't you get like a negative
Yeah.
thought? You simply sit on sofa, okay, on your couch, okay? Don't get
Yeah, right.
distracted. Like, oh,
Yeah.
that particular person said this thing to me. I'm running out of money or something like that. Some
No, no,
problem,
no. Yeah.
distraction.
Meditation is mean not that the mean, okay, you have to sit on a proper stage or any other thing. Like in this meditation, we have to sit anywhere comfortably. Right.
Comfortable.
So like yeah, you can sit on the ground, you can sit on the sofa, you can sit on the bed, whatever, but you feel comfortable over there. If you
Mhm.
are comfortable, so you can sit anywhere and do that meditation. Like it is a free of cost. So yeah, so I do that in the morning
Uh,
time and in the evening time.
mhm.
Yeah.
Ma'am, are you foodie person?
Sorry?
Are you foodie person?
Not so much. Not so much. You can say like whatever I have, whatever like at my home or whenever someone bring for me. So that time I can manage it with everything. I don't say okay, I want to this thing, I want to that. So no, I am not a foodie person. I can eat whatever I want, or not so much compulsion to eat only the junk food or only the like fried food. No, because my husband is like a very health conscious person, so that you can say that most of the time I cook only the green vegetables at home,
Mhm.
and somewhere
Do
like out of the blue we can, of course, we can order from outside.
mhm.
Otherwise every time we eat house, well, like homemade food.
Yeah. Do you have any favorite dish that you like to prepare for your family? Favorite dish?
Yeah, that is kadhai paneer. Yeah, kadai paneer is the favorite. Like everyone likes that, so it
Okay.
is my favorite
Yeah.
dish. And and someone said, okay, you make that dish in a delicious way. So it
Okay.
taste is very delicious. Yeah.
Mhm.
So, but it is everyone's favorite in my home. At my home, everyone's favorite food is like yeah, dish
What
kadai
is your
paneer. Yeah.
favorite? Like, what is the favorite dish in your hometown or in your state that everybody likes to eat once in a while, or like
You
every
know,
day?
if you Yeah, if you talk about the street food, okay, in
Okay.
Delhi, I'm talking about in Delhi. So
Mm.
if you talk about the street food, so chole bhature is very famous here.
Okay.
Like
Okay.
it is ubiquitous, we can say. Everywhere you can get that.
Okay.
Right. So or if you go with the like in the restaurant or any other places, so like if you talk about the non-vegetarian person, so they most of the like kadai chicken, and then the if vegetarian people are there, so they kadai paneer. They go with the kadai paneer. So these
Paneer.
things are very famous in Delhi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We make like a paneer dishes, especially in the weddings. You know. And
in the weddings, and whenever some guests are coming, try to come our home, so that time we prefer to cook that kadhai paneer and dal makhni and this kind of
yeah,
dish.
yeah.
Yeah,
Actually,
mostly
I've gone.
in the
I
marriages, mostly it is cooked.
Yeah, I was saying that
Okay,
I'm
go ahead.
born and brought up in village. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and due to some financial crisis, I mean issues, we're not able to try different dishes. Okay, but I'm
Mm-hmm.
thinking, what if I'm able to be, in future? Obviously, nobody has seen the future, right? If I stable and financially stable, if I'm going to be in the future, then I like to try different dishes, all over the country. There are so many like see, like you never know, like when your time will change. And once, because my since I uh, like become mature, I decided I like to travel a lot. Okay, traveling is
Mm-hmm.
become one of my hobby. So I decided, why shouldn't I stay like in a Delhi for 1 month, in Kerala for 1 month, and I try everything,
Mm-hmm.
like a food, and visit monumental places, like historical places. And say, like,
Mm-hmm.
if you stay in particular place only 1 or 2 days, that's cool, not call in experiencing the things, right? But if you at
Mm-hmm.
least stay
Right.
for like 1 month, so you're going to connect with the locals, then you will know
Exactly.
what are the pros and cons of that particular place. So that exactly
Mm-hmm.
trying
Yeah.
1 month at least. In every states of India, I want to stay at least for 1 month, so I can
Yeah, one
experience.
month is enough for getting
Uh,
everything. Like you can interact the people, you can visit all the places which are famous and that place, and you also can interact the people and their culture and their any other things you can connect. So 1 month is enough for visiting every state. I think every state or every district. Yeah.
hmm,
So have like how many places have you visited? Because you said okay, you are a fond of traveling.
yeah. See, unfortunately, I have visited very less places, but in my hometown, oh my God, there are so many places. I live in Maharashtra. Okay, so in
Mm.
Maharashtra state, there are so many forts. Uh,
Mm,
Built by
yeah.
Shivaji Maharaj. Okay, so many historical places. I live near to Bombay, so you know very well the history of Bombay. Okay, so there are so
Mm.
many like buildings built by the like British people. These buildings are still looking very very strong compared to new buildings, and very beautiful as well, the
Mm.
structures of them. So I'm always fascinating about exploring the historical places, because they built it, this kind of buildings, long ago, right? But still they are looking very strong, standing strong, right?
Mm.
So that I think.
Right. Yeah. I have also visited one time Maharashtra. Only two time.
Okay.
Yeah, two time. Ganpati Bule. Have you heard about that? Ganpati Bule in
Yeah, yeah,
Maharashtra.
yeah.
So yeah, I have been there two times. For
Mhm.
the like one seminar purpose, medical, that was the not medical, meditation seminar was
Meditation
for
seminar.
held over there. So yeah, seminar, that is a seminar. So I went there. So I visited only the few places over there. Ganpati Pule and one more temple is also there. Two temples are also there. So yeah.
I'm going to keep this video. Okay. Next time,
Okay.
if you
Thank you
want.
so much. Thank you so much. Yeah,
Uh,
definitely. Next time we will connect later. Okay. Bye bye. Have a nice
bye
day.
bye
Take care.
bye bye.